Here we are, July 3rd of 2025. We are officially just a couple days older than 1 month. So, what's going on with this Save Club thing? Are people saving? Are people earning money as an affiliate? Or are you on the fence yourself? That's why you're watching my video or other videos that claim to do legit, brutally honest, reviews. All right. Is it a scam? Is it a triangle thing? Is Save Club one of those shiny ball opportunities where you look at it, you join in like a month or, well, maybe an hour later, you just give up on it and say, what the hell? Okay. All I can tell you is I've been in Save Club for a couple months now. I joined a few weeks earlier than the official release date of June 1st. It was the pre-launch. And what I did is I invited a bunch of people to basically watch a movie. Little video, okay? And I'm going to do the same right now to show you how I've been able to save over $900 the first 2 months. I'm going into month number 3, just as a member. That's how much I've saved on tires, on Sirius Satellite, on food items, super nutritional things like going to Burger King and accidentally dropping by Wendy's through the drive-thru. Do you guys do that too? I do too. I'm sorry. Bought a purple mattress and tires at Discount Tire. Hundreds and hundreds of $100 bills still in my wallet. Thanks to Save Club, just as a membership. Okay. Now, as an affiliate, I spent the $60 and I've signed up 106 people already. And all I do is invite people to a link you click. You watch a video. It's already made. You don't have to do what I'm doing right now. Talking to a webcam, talking to your cell phone in selfie mode. Don't worry. You join my team. I have so many pictures and videos that you can use. You don't have to do anything that you don't want to do. And if you're uncomfortable being on camera, don't worry about it. Okay? Focus on making it fun. Just relax. Let's save you money, but let's earn you money too as an affiliate. Okay? $19.97 plus $60. So right now, $79.97. I want you to join right now. Click the link and just watch the video. And if you like what you see, great. You're going to get an email. Get an email from Save Club. Open it up, follow the instructions, and you'll figure it out. Just go ahead and log in, get your username, your password. You're going to start saving right away on, I think there's about 75,000 businesses already, and we're barely over a month old. In the next 6 to 9 months, in the next year, we're going to be in every country, every city, every state. All right, this is an international thing, not just here in Utah where I'm based in Salt Lake City, Utah area in the good old United States of America. Okay, we're going to Canada. We're going to go to Mexico, UK, Asia, Africa, Greenland, Iceland. We're going down to Brazil. And of course, we're going to check out some friends over in Australia, New Zealand. All right, how about New Guinea? Okay. And I think we'll even mosey on over to Hawaii, work on our tans while sipping drinks on the beach. Just give us time. If you're going to join as an affiliate now, do it. Because entire neighborhoods, entire cities, maybe even an entire state could be signing up in your group. Because when you join in the beginning of something, there's not that many people as affiliates. There's way more many members. There's going to be 5 to 10 million members. That's how many Priceline, Orbitz, all these great savings clubs. This is the average amount of members they have. All right. But is there an affiliate opportunity? There's not. This is the first international save club, okay, where you can earn money just by inviting people to look into it. That is it. That's all I want you to focus on. Earning and learning at the same time. But you're going to be saving as well. In my opinion, and with my experience, I saved money on things I'm buying anyway, or things I might buy in the future, like tires for many of my vehicles. Sound good? Okay, I just want you to look at a link, and that is it. And if you like what you see, then proceed, okay? So let me go ahead and snap my fingers like this, and guess what? If I snap, I become a little person right up here on the top. Now, the official link to get more information or to join Save Club is right here, joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead, visit it. Just watch the short little video. Now, how have I been able to save money, and sign up over 106 people already. Well, I use a funnel, and all it is a website where people watch a video that's in greater detail. Okay, now, do you want to see it? Okay, let me go ahead and get it up there. Okay, saveclubfunnels.com. Saveclubfunnels with an S.com. It's only $25. And if you've already joined Save Club in my group or another person's group, don't worry about it. For $25, you can look in to this funnel that I use. Okay. Now I've signed up. That's a tongue twister. I have signed up in Save Club. About 30 some odd people using joinsaveclub.org. That's the official link. But with the funnel that has a 20-minute video, it explains things in greater detail for people like yourself that just need more information. You want demonstrations. You know, what's going on with this Save Club thing? How do you use it? What is it for real? I find that the funnel system, that 20-minute video, it does a better job for people that are a little more conservative and you need more information. So I want you to go to both of these links and my work is done. I do a 6-minute video here. I'll wrap it up in 7. There's nothing left for me to do. There's customer service at Save Club. The website's built. There's 75,000 businesses already in there. There's going to be millions over the next 6 to 9 months, the next year or two. Okay, so let's earn and learn at the same time, but let's save you money too. Okay, all right, there you go, guys. This is all I do all day. I post this to, well, I guess Facebook is my favorite. Instagram, TikTok. If people inbox me on Facebook, awesome. Okay, boom, joinsaveclub.org, saveclubfunnels.com. All right, and there's my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Go ahead. You can go ahead and ask any questions. If it's about marketing, great. And if I can help you, I'll definitely zap you back with a return response, or I'll make a video about it so that a whole bunch of people on my YouTube channel hopefully will learn from it as well. All right, Save Club, it's a pretty cool thing, but you need to join now. We're barely over a month old. And in the next year or two, you know, that's when the tidal wave of people are going to sign up as members, but they can only sign up under affiliates. So let's get that $60 bill out and let's earn you some money, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my work is done. All right, peace and love, guys. Thanks for your time, and I hope you join Save Club. Okay, take care. Bye.